This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Sunday, September 1st of 2013. Well, we have one particular hazardous weather highlight here for the next 7 days. There are going to be scattered thunderstorms that are expected across all of northern Michigan, and that starts late this morning up in eastern upper Michigan. It continues through this evening. Now, no severe weather is expected with any of these storms. However, gusty winds and small hail will be possible in the stronger storms. The best chance for northern lower Michigan will really start this afternoon and go through this evening. Well, let's take a look at the current weather map. We can probably see what the culprit will be for the showers and thunderstorms, and that is that low pressure that we see on the arrowhead of Minnesota and across northwestern Lake Superior. There is a cold front that extends southward across Minnesota and into far northwest Iowa. And there were some scattered showers and thunderstorms currently ongoing across this frontal zone and more so across the low pressure in parts of southern Ontario. Well, as we step ahead, this is all the way till tomorrow, Monday morning. That low pressure will move across southern Ontario, dragging that cold front through northern Michigan, and that is going to be for late this afternoon and through this evening before it does exit by daybreak. And then we see high pressure building back in to the central part of the country behind this low pressure. And that particular high pressure is going to be over our neck of the woods for quite some time, although we will have this weak cold front that no precipitation is expected along this at this particular time. And we do see high pressure in southern Canada that will build back in here again. So we're really going to be underneath relative high pressure for quite some time after the passage of this cold front and storms. Well, as far as the severe weather outlook goes, we are not in a slight chance of severe weather. However, we're just in some general thunderstorm areas. But again, any of the stronger cells could produce some pretty gusty winds and some smaller hail. Here's a breakdown of the damaging wind threat and large hail. Just about 5% sneaking into the region, and that's it. Well, so some people are going to get some rain today. Again, it's going to be scattered out there, so not every single community can expect to see some rain. Temperatures are going to be warm one more day, generally in the upper half of the 70s in eastern upper, warming to the lower half of the 80s in the southern parts of our area. And again, recapping the hazards, just the one, the scattered thunderstorms for this afternoon and evening. Again, severe storms not expected. The stronger cells, some gusty winds and small hail, and that's particularly across northeast lower Michigan. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.